Hi friends! Welcome to Distance Learning week number 4. I can't believe that we've already been doing this for 4 weeks. This is week number 4. That's super crazy. I hope you're doing really well. I miss you. This is the planner that you're going to use for week 4, and it goes through Friday, April 24th. Basically, what I want you working on this week is writing your research paper. So if you go back to where you turned in your outline, you were supposed to turn in your outline last Friday. That was 10 points. If you didn't do that, you should still do it. There was an example outline for you to look at if you want, and then there's all these video directions for how to do your outline. If you did turn it in, make sure you go look at it because I give you little feedback and comments that'll help you with writing your paper. So if you did turn it in, make sure that you go look at my comments and my feedback that I gave you. A lot of people are all over the place when it comes to their outline. Like some people have got like super detailed and thorough outlines, and some people just have, vague little points that they've made in their outlines, which is fine. Everyone's kind of at different spots on that, and that's okay. But that's why this week I really want you to focus on writing that research paper and getting as much research in your paper as you can, avoiding plagiarism for sure, citing your sources in your paper. Again, if you haven't watched these videos, they really will help you. So just make sure that you're working on writing the research paper this week. That's really the focus. On Tuesday here, I put that you should make sure that your paper is in Mla format. So, just the formatting, make sure that you check on that. This is a link here for how you can see what Mla formatting looks like, So it should be in Times New Roman font, size 12, double spaced, those sorts of things. So make sure you do that too. There's a research paper example here. I'll just click on it so that you can see what an example of a completed research paper would look like. This one is really, really good, and it's obviously completely done. Yours probably doesn't look like this yet. Again, these two are partners. Obviously, their real names were not Rachel Green and Monica Geller. I named them that, but you can see that the introduction is in black font because they wrote that together. And then this person, partner number 1, wrote in blue font, partner number 2 wrote in purple font, so I can see who wrote which pieces of the paper. So if you just want to see an example and look at what theirs looks like, that's there for you. Continue writing. Basically by Friday, I want you to turn in your completed draft of your paper. So it doesn't need to be as beautiful as the one I just showed you, but you should have a completed draft done. It's not going to be perfect. I'll give you suggestions and I'll look through it and you will be able to continue working on it, but you should have an introduction paragraph, your body paragraphs that you're working on, and your conclusion. So by Friday, turn in as much as you can of your completed paper, and that's going to be worth 20 points. So make sure that you do that. Make sure that you're working on it this week, and then do the participation contract for week number 4. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having good experiences with online learning through school. Sometimes I feel like I'm not very motivated at home like I would be if I were at school and surrounded by people. It's just hard to get motivated at home when there's like food and your dog and, friends to watch on TV. So, I don't know. Do the best you can. Stay positive. If you ever need anything, again, please email me and let me know. I really miss you guys, and I hope you have another great week.